Which one of these is the waitress? Guten Morgen! Let's dive into some German exercises today. Today, we have a new topic. Do you remember the waiter? The man? Yeah. Yes, that's right. Kellner. Der Kellner. And now, we're talking about the waitress. The woman. So, isn't it obvious here? Yeah, the picture says that. The first one. Let's see.
Die Kellnerin.
Die Kellnerin. Der Kellner. Die Kellnerin. Wow. Let's see. Good job. You learned a new word today. If you'd like to pursue this course, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell. So, now you can fill in the blank. Meine blank ist Kellnerin. Meine Eule? Meine Maus? Or meine Frau? Yeah, that's right. My wife. Meine Frau ist Kellnerin. Sehr gut.
Frau.
Let's see. Awesome. Wow. It's a new topic. You can do it. Sehr gut.
Au.
Au. Choose what you hear. Now, au. This is a pronunciation exercise. Number 1.
Za.
Za. Number 2.
A.
A. Number 3.
Au.
Au. Yeah, number 3. Let's check. Excellent. Let's go.
Scha.
Another pronunciation exercise. Number 1, za, isn't it?
Za.
Za, you remember. Number 2, ha. Yeah?
Ha.
Number 3 is za, yeah.
Za.
Za. And the last, but not the least,
Scha.
sha. This is it. SCH makes the sound sh. Good. Nice job. I hope you enjoyed this step. Until next time. Bis später.